Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a row in the table in your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete a row in the table in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show. So first step, I just going to insert a table here. So I just selected a thing here. So we have a lot of rows here. So I just going to insert a table here. So I just insert a table here. So you can see that is a total of more than 5-6 rows. So I just need to delete. I just need only 3 rows. I just need to delete a row. So you just click on the table first, anywhere on the table. So if you just need to delete the 13th row, you just select any cell on the 13th row. If you just need to delete a 12th row, just select any cell on the 12th row. And click on this arrow section, and you will see the table properties here. Just scroll down, you will see an option called delete row. So you just need to click on this, which delete the row. The same process can be repeated to delete all the row if you just need it. For an example, just going to need to delete another row here and just deleting the row. Now you can see only 3 rows are available. This is how you just delete the rows on your Microsoft Excel mobile for your table. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.